Everyone gather around me. We have 9 of some of the most famous boards we have ever skated in Braille history, and we also have 9 of the most amazing people we have ever skated with in Braille history. So what you guys are gonna do is Rochambeau for a ginormous game of skate.
And this Rochambeau will never end.
Whatever order you get in the Rochambeau, you get to choose the board.
All right, let's try one Rochambeau round, and if it doesn't work out,
all right,
on 3. Yep, didn't work out. Now we will draw names out of a hat because we tried to Rochambeau and it didn't work out.
I have all of your names in a hat. I will now draw said names. Whatever name gets drawn first goes first. Luck of the gab for whoever gets first.
Me.
Brian Ames.
Yes.
I knew it! Nigel Jones.
Oh, okay, I'm doing it.
Pick number 3 is Brian Arnett.
We'll go ahead and pick the rocks. Wait, actually no, it's kind of heavy.
Pick number 4 is Fetty. McNugget. Andy, you are next.
All right, whatever. It's so heavy.
Next, Uzi.
Oh my God, Aaron.
Doug. And last but not least, Aaron.
It is a hard rhino.
I'm just so glad.
I would have chosen this if I got first.
Right now.
Welcome to one of the most insane games of skate we will ever have on this channel. Okay, we're going in the order that you were chosen in, so Brian, you are first.
Maybe what we should do is the reverse order.
We were thinking that, but it's gonna be hard because I don't remember what order it was. Aaron and Doug are first and second, that's all I know, let's do it.
I will go first, Doug will go second, and then we will go from there.
Aaron, you are first.
For my first trick, I'm going to ride down that bank.
Eat my dust, suckers.
That was the most anticlimactic trick ever. We should be playing hardcore mode. What can be done on this that nobody can do on any other board?
So this is one of the best boards, so we purposely put the worst trucks on there.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yep.
That was my one chance. I'm out.
I'm gonna do a flappy, no slide.
I'm just gonna kick flip.
Oh, wait. I haven't done anything on this. This is probably a dumb idea.
You guys have no idea how bad that is. It's my turn.
My God.
Sorry. Well, it is a hard rhino.
I can do that. I know I can do that.
That is like the happiest moment of my entire life.
I knew that was gonna happen because that thing's not easy to pop. Hold on to me the whole way.
Daniel, I need you! Oh my God. I'm gonna try and manual that little box over there.
Wow. Wow! Yeah, Betty!
I actually almost had that.
Oh, I gotta land perfect for it.
I got 2 tries.
It's like as long as my board.
Oh! No way.
Cameron from the Denver airport. I told him I'd shout him out in a Braille video. He thought I was Aaron.
All right, so I'm gonna go bank and manual around and then land into the bank.
Okay.
Hold it! Hold it! Wow, Nigel. Oh, Brian.
Dude, where was Doug for the original Hard Rhino video? Daniel is out. I am sorry.
Oh. I didn't even get close.
Your reign is over.
No, it's okay.
See, my favorite person is on my favorite video of all time. That board right there is one of my favorite. Is my favorite Braille video.
I'm honored.
Yeah, no slide.
Ah, I like it.
Ooh, that's fast.
Wow.
It's knobbed.
Andy, I know you got that in your barrel of tricks. Oh my God. Oh
I'm
my
leaving.
God. I'm so sorry, Fetty.
That was better than my regular kickflip.
Please not be on the stairs.
I can't mess this up, and I feel like I'm gonna mess this up. I'm just gonna go on the 3 stair.
I'm down for that.
Yeah, one more.
Are your nuts okay?
Yeah, I thought, dude, that would have been. Look how tall this is. That would have been not a good thing.
He's too good. I think, regardless, I think Doug wins like MVP of the entire day, though.
Oh, yeah.
Because this is like unbelievable how good that is.
It's a Hard Rhino. Keep it up, Fetty. You got this.
Wheel bite.
Man, that rocked. Oh my.
I got my shin.
Whoa. What? Wait, what was that?
Back truck didn't grind. He rolled.
Brian is calling the rebate.
You gotta do it again. You gotta
Brian
do it
is
again.
calling the rebate.
See how good Fetty is? Though, go again.
Brian is brutal.
Oh! That was legit. That was good.
Fetty, you were amazing.
I'm gonna do a front feeble.
Doug, you can do that.
I'm losing it now. I swear, if we do the whole rest of the game on the mini ramp,
trick, Doug.
Drop in, switch.
Oh! One more try? Yep. Dude, you just got rocked.
I'm gonna try a no stall.
Oh man.
I have no say. You could do that. You could do it.
Wow. I've never done that. Wait, I can't even bend that way.
Let it go. Oh, Doug. Doug, you have one more try.
No more mini ramp.
That was fabulous.
I don't want to get out like this.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Yes! Fetty's staying alive, people. He's staying alive.
I'm gonna try and nose man out of the box.
I'm sorry, Fetty. I tried to tell him. Manuals are literally his least favorite thing in the world. Defense!
Pivot fakie on that quarter pipe over there at the end.
Best. Fetty, you got one more try. He's never gonna lose. Every time you're so bummed on it, and then you land it. Just stop being bummed on it and land it the first try.
Wow, you guys are still at this. I'm gonna do a fly ground kickflip.
What am I supposed to do to make you happy?
I don't know, nothing. He will never be happy.
All right, guys, well, that was an incredible game. Thank you for watching. I really didn't think I was gonna win having the rip surf, but you know, it's just hard to beat me. It's just like really hard to beat me. So a huge thanks to everyone who played in this game. Definitely check out all of their channels. They will all be listed right here, or maybe down there, or maybe right in there. So thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, please like. We'll see you in the next video, and leave that comment below. Thank you.